The Enchanted Forestine, a vibrant, colorful forest, filled with singing flowers and sparkling streams. We meet our three main characters, Zara, Benny, Tilly, and a quick squirrel. They are playing hide and seek among the gigantic mushrooms when they come across a mysterious pile of shimmering leaves, the mischievous fuzzy ghost. As they investigate the leaves, they accidentally disturb the playful fuzzy ghost, a fluffy white creature with big eyes and a cheeky grin. Instead of being scary, he's mischievous and loves playing pranks. The ghost playfully buries them in leaves while laughing, not realizing that they are actually stuck underneath. The Dilemmatha friends quickly realize they can't move under the pile of leaves. Zara, ever the problem solver, suggests they use their strengths to escape. Benny hops around, trying to dig them out with his strong little paws, while Tilly thinks of a plan. She suggests they work together to communicate and use the ghost's own playful nature against him. Making a plan sitting together beneath the shimmering leaf pile, they brainstorm. Tilly thinks that if they can make the fuzzy ghost laugh hard enough, he might shake the leaves off them as he falls over and giggles. They start concocting funny jokes and silly antics that will surely amuse the ghost. The great escape attempt with their plan ready, Benny starts hopping in silly ways. Zara joins him by making funny faces and noises, while Tilly clumsily tries to dance. Their antics catch the attention of the fuzzy ghost, who peeks under the leaves, intrigued and giggling already. The fuzzy ghost joins in. The fuzzy ghost can't hold back his laughter and bursts into a fit of giggles, shaking the leaves on top. As the leaves rustle with laughter and fun, they start to float away. The ghost jumps in excitement, causing a magical whirlwind of leaves. Freedom! With the pile of leaves flying away, Zara, Benny, and Tilly manage to wiggle out, emerging covered in glittering leaf dust. They laugh with relief, and the fuzzy ghost, feeling a little sorry for trapping them, decides to join their game instead of playing tricks. New friendship. The three friends and the fuzzy ghost dance around, forming a new friendship. They play games of hide and seek together, laughing and shouting with joy under the sunny sky. They realize that even though the fuzzy ghost was initially troublesome, he brought them closer together. The lesson learned. As the day winds down, they sit under a big tree, sharing stories and snacking on berry treats. Zara reflects on how teamwork can turn a scary situation into a joyful one, while Tilly agrees, highlighting that understanding and laughter can forge new friendships. The adventure continues. As the sun sets, painting the forest,